Did you know that AI trading algorithms can analyze millions of data points in just seconds, giving them superhuman abilities to predict market trends? Today, I want to share with you an AI trading strategy that made me a whopping $10,000 in just one day. It's a strategy that I've been testing and refining for months, and I'm excited to share it with you. In this video, I'll break down the strategy, show you how it works, and share the exact trades I made to achieve this incredible result. But before we dive in, I want to highlight the importance of innovation in trading. The financial markets are constantly evolving, and traders need to adapt to stay ahead of the game. That's why I've been exploring the potential of AI in trading, and I've been blown away by the results. Emotional decision-making is one of the biggest challenges traders face. Fear and greed can cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that often end in disaster. That's why I've always been fascinated by the idea of using AI to automate trading decisions. Most traders rely on technical analysis, studying charts and patterns to predict market movements. But this approach has its limitations. Charts can be misleading, and even the most experienced traders can misinterpret them. Furthermore, traditional strategies often rely on historical data, which may not be relevant to the current market conditions. This is where AI comes in. It can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that human traders might miss. Another major challenge traders face is market volatility. The markets can be unpredictable, and even the best-laid plans can be derailed by sudden shifts in market sentiment. That's why I've been experimenting with AI strategies that can adapt to changing market conditions. In addition, traditional strategies often require a significant amount of time and effort. Traders need to constantly monitor the markets, analyze data, and make decisions. But with AI, much of this process can be automated, freeing up time for more important things. So, how does AI fit into trading? In recent years, there's been a surge of interest in AI-powered trading strategies. These strategies use machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Some AI strategies use natural language processing to analyze news and social media sentiment, identifying market-moving events before they happen. Others use deep learning algorithms to analyze complex patterns in financial data. I've been testing various AI strategies, and I've been blown away by the results. In this video, I'll share one of the most successful strategies I've found, and I'll show you how it can be used to generate consistent profits. The strategy I'll be sharing with you today is based on a combination of machine learning algorithms and technical analysis. It's a strategy that's been designed to adapt to changing market conditions, and it's shown incredible potential in my testing. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at the strategy. At its core, the strategy uses a sophisticated algorithm to analyze market data, identifying patterns and trends that indicate a high probability of profit. The algorithm is trained on a vast dataset of historical market data, and it's constantly learning and adapting to new market conditions. This allows it to make predictions that are remarkably accurate. In addition to the algorithm, the strategy also incorporates technical analysis, using indicators and charts to identify potential trading opportunities. This hybrid approach allows the strategy to combine the strengths of both AI and human analysis. One of the key features of this strategy is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. It's able to adjust its parameters in real time, responding to shifts in market sentiment and volatility. This is what sets this strategy apart from traditional approaches. Rather than relying on fixed rules and indicators, it's able to adapt and evolve in response to changing market conditions. So, how did this strategy perform? On the day I'm going to share with you, the strategy generated an astonishing $10,000 in profit. It was an incredible result, and it demonstrated the potential of AI in trading. Let me walk you through the trades I made that day. The strategy had identified a high-probability trading opportunity, and I executed the trade based on its recommendations. As the trade unfolded, I closely monitored the market, adjusting my position in response to changing conditions. The strategy had predicted a strong upward trend, and it played out exactly as expected. I held the trade for several hours, raking in the profits as the market moved in my favor. It was an incredible feeling knowing that the strategy had performed exactly as it was designed to. The $10,000 profit was just the icing on the cake. The real value of this strategy lies in its ability to generate consistent profits over time. And I'm excited to share this strategy with you, so you can see the potential for yourself. In conclusion, AI trading strategies are the future of trading. They offer a level of sophistication and adaptability that's impossible to achieve with traditional approaches. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the potential of AI in trading. Remember, the key to success lies in adapting to changing market conditions, and AI strategies offer a powerful way to do just that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on trading tips and AI strategies. And if you're interested in learning more about AI and trading, check out my video on the top AI trading platforms.